This is future me letting you know that in this course we are covering the types or the categories of AI, jobs in the field of AI, and the future of AI. Okay, let's go. Welcome back to Intro to AI. This is lesson 2, so I hope you guys are ready. So, to recap lesson 1, we talked about what is AI, and then we talked about all the things that we already use in our everyday life that is considered AI, that uses AI. Okay, so now let's talk about something else. Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of people. Not all AI is the same. When most people think about AI, they think about ChatGPT, Siri, fitness apps, things of that movie. They even think about like the sci-fi movies. But AI is actually on a spectrum, and it's constantly evolving. So let's break it down. So if you're breaking it down, there's 3 types. There's narrow, there's general, and there's super intelligence AI. Now, the first one, narrow AI, is literally everything that we talked about in the last lesson. It's the weak AI. It's the AI that we already have incorporated pretty much into our everyday lives. It is considered like the powerful assistant. It can help you get things done more efficiently. Now, the next AI, general AI, is considered the strong AI. We are trying to build this. We have not gotten to the point where we have strong AI yet. It's the type of AI that can reason, it can plan, it can learn, it can take old situations and apply it to completely new scenarios, things of that nature. Hold complex conversations where it doesn't need like a prompt or additional information provided to it to be able to give you what you want. Problem solve creatively, like thinking out of the box, not within the parameters that were already provided to it. Now, super intelligence AI is the theory that we can create AI so intelligent that it will be smarter than any human that has or ever will live. The theory is that this type of super intelligence could solve climate change, even if we're past the point of no return. It could cure diseases, it could cure poverty, things of that nature. It's more of like a what if, and it's very, very far in the future from the information that everyone's providing. Like, we haven't even gotten to general AI yet. So, the idea is what if we could get to super intelligence? And if we could, how many decades in the future would it be? So, now that we have all of that out of the way, let's talk about now and where AI is heading. Narrow AI, which again is what we're currently using, it even though it's considered weak, even though it's considered narrow, there are so many things that it can do. And AI is already making huge waves, but in the future, there are so many plans to have it impact lives on an even greater wave. So I made a list of things that I today just looked up to see what are some plans of things that are possible, of things that people are theorizing. So if we're talking about healthcare, AI can assist or will be able to assist doctors diagnosing diseases earlier, predicting patient outcomes, hopefully removing bias in healthcare, personalizing treatment plans, looking at x-rays, detecting, searching if a patient says they have this and it's odd, and there's this random thing over here, like putting the pieces of the puzzle together quicker. Another thing is finance. AI is already integrated into fraud detection, and automating financial planning, but it's also something that they're looking for when it comes to the stock market. Like, I know there are some apps currently out there now that do the auto trading for you. They're wanting to expound on that. Education. Right now, AI is tutoring, training so many people. There's literally so many available AIs or large language models that you can use to tutor yourself. This is one thing that I actually did this year with one of my girls. She has a little bit of a tough time with math. So I used my AI assistant to help her and to explain to her in ways that I couldn't think up to get the puzzle pieces to stick, like to get everything to connect. And within 3-4 weeks of using AI to help her with her math, she's made leaps and bounds over the entire last year of us struggling to get her to where she needs to be. Corporate business, people are looking for AI to streamline project management, so as a tool for project managers, to automate customer support. We already use chat bots, but they're thinking about doing it even further, like having bots be able to give technical support or to remote in and test things before you have to speak to an agent. Business wise, like making decisions that optimize the cash flow of the business. Another one that I've seen is really controversial right now as entertainment and arts and creativity. We see so many AIs generating scripts, writing books, music, art, things of that nature. So, all of these industries have the ability to use AI currently, but there are so many plans to explore and push even further. And to go a little bit more in depth in that, in the way that you can have a career using AI in these fields, let's look over some of the AI related career paths. So we have AI medical researcher, health data analyst, biomedical engineer, telemedicine specialist, healthcare information technology, of course, that's healthcare field, finance, AI risk analysis, quantitative analyst, algorithmic trader, financial data scientist, all related to AI. Education, curriculum designer, ed tech specialist, AI tutoring systems developer. For corporate, you can have an AI consultant, business intelligence analyst, which is definitely something I'm looking into right now, automation specialist, a tech and software. You have AI engineer, you have a machine learning scientist, you have a prompt engineer. What else do we have here? Robotics developer, AI product manager. There's so many career paths. And I used AI to look up this list too. Marketing and advertising, content strategist, digital marketing analyst, AI powered SEO specialist. Let's think of other fields. There's cybersecurity, entertainment, retail, legal and ethics. Career paths for those include AI security analyst, threat detection and engineer. Those are in high demand. AI risk mitigation specialist, AI powered content creator, game designer, customer insights analyst. That would be a very, very good one in a lot of fields, actually. Supply chain optimization specialist, policy consultant, ethics researcher, data privacy advocate. So now that we've gone over the three types of AI, where we currently are and where we want to be in the future, I have a question. Would you trust AI to make decisions in your field? Let me know in the comment section and come back for tomorrow where we have another discussion.